The door is locked, but the agent is here to help. Snap and move forward block to the bottom of the run block in the workspace to get the agent to the pressure plate, pressure E plate _up, then press run and use the arrow keys to move out of the house to collect the chest.